Are you still spending hours cleaning data, writing formulas, or fixing Excel errors? Today I'm showing you how AI can turn a 3-hour Excel task into 3 minutes using ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. If you want to save time, eliminate mistakes, and work smarter instead of harder, this video is going to change the way you use Excel forever. Excel is powerful, but let's be honest, it can also be slow, confusing, and frustrating. Most people only use 10% of what Excel can do because formulas feel complicated and data cleaning takes too long. AI removes that barrier. You no longer need to remember formulas or spend hours fixing spreadsheets. You simply describe what you want, and AI does the work for you. When we talk about AI in Excel, we're talking about tools like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot that understand natural language. Instead of typing formulas, you type instructions like calculate monthly growth rate excluding weekends, and AI writes the formula instantly. It's like having a personal Excel expert sitting next to you, ready to help at any moment. One of the biggest struggles people have with Excel is remembering formulas. VLOOKUPs, lookup, index, match, they all sound intimidating, but with AI, you don't need to memorize anything. You just explain the problem in plain English, and AI generates the exact formula you need. It even explains how the formula works so you can learn as you go. Data cleaning is one of the most time-consuming tasks in Excel. Duplicate entries, inconsistent formatting, mixed date formats, it all slows you down. AI can clean your data in seconds. You can ask it to remove duplicates, split names, standardize dates, or fix formatting issues. What used to take 45 minutes now takes 45 seconds. Even if you're not a data analyst, AI makes you look like one. You can upload your data and ask AI to summarize trends, highlight risks, or identify opportunities. It can tell you which products are performing best, which months are slow, and where you're losing money. This is the kind of insight businesses pay analysts for. And now you can generate it instantly. AI generates full reports automatically. Imagine telling AI, create a sales performance report for Q1 with insights and recommendations. And within seconds, you get a written summary, key metrics, trends, risks, actionable recommendations. This is the power of AI-assisted reporting. It transforms raw data into professional-level insights. AI builds dashboards without you struggling. Dashboards are one of the most requested Excel skills, but they're also one of the hardest to build. I can suggest the right charts, help you create pivot tables, and even recommend KPIs. You can ask, create a dashboard showing monthly revenue, customer growth, and product performance. And AI will guide you step by step. AI helps you debug errors. We've all seen the dreaded hashtag value or #NA error. Instead of wasting time trying to figure out what went wrong, you can paste the formula into ChatGPT and ask, why is this formula not working? I will tell you exactly what's wrong and how to fix it. No more guessing. No more frustration. AI helps you document your work. Documentation is important, but often ignored. AI can generate clear explanations for your formulas, your dashboards, and your reports. This is perfect for teams, clients, or future you, because we all forget how we built something 6 months later. AI makes Excel accessible for beginners. If you're new to Excel, AI removes the learning curve. You don't need to know where every button is or how every function works. You just describe what you want. This empowers students, small business owners, freelancers, and anyone who wants to work smarter. AI supercharges advanced users too. Even if you're an Excel expert, AI speeds up your workflow. Instead of manually writing long formulas or building complex models, you can let AI handle the repetitive parts while you focus on strategy and decision making. It's like upgrading your brain with a digital assistant. Real-world use case, small business. A small business owner can use AI to track sales, manage inventory, and analyze customer behavior. Instead of hiring a data analyst, they can ask AI to generate weekly reports, highlight slow-moving products, and recommend pricing strategies. This saves money and improves decision-making. Real-world use case, content creators. Creators like you can use AI plus Excel to track engagement, analyze performance, and plan content calendars. You can ask AI to identify your best performing posts, calculate growth rates, or predict future trends. This helps you stay consistent and strategic. Real-world use case, students. Students can use AI to understand formulas, complete assignments faster, and learn data analysis skills that employers love. Instead of struggling with complex tasks, they can ask AI to explain concepts step by step. Real-world use case, finance and accounting. AI can automate budgeting, forecasting, and financial modeling. It can help you calculate cash flow, analyze expenses, and prepare monthly reports. This is a game changer for accountants and finance professionals. How to use AI inside Excel. Microsoft Copilot integrates directly into Excel, allowing you to type natural language commands. ChatGPT can be used alongside Excel to generate formulas, explain errors, and create reports. Together, they form a powerful productivity system that saves hours every week. Productivity tips to maximize AI: use AI for repetitive tasks, use AI to check your formulas, use AI to generate documentation, use AI to analyze data before you start building. Use AI to automate anything that feels slow or manual. This is how you unlock true efficiency. The future of Excel is AI-driven. We're entering a new era where Excel is no longer just a spreadsheet tool, it's an intelligent assistant. AI will continue to evolve, making data analysis faster, easier, and more accessible. Those who learn to use AI now will stay ahead of the curve. Stop wasting hours on Excel. Let AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business, improving your skills, and creating more impact. If you want more tutorials, templates, or AI-powered workflows, make sure you subscribe and comment below. Your productivity transformation starts today.